Hello Tamash, um, I finally find a way to publish on the net the Quizfaber, and I'm gonna show you now how. I starting by opening Quizfaber. This is a single question quiz. You see is standard. I don't as the quiz that we created in the class. There is just one question just to make it easier. I go in quiz and I go in quiz properties. When I go in quiz properties, I go in saving. When I go in saving, I select save quiz results on web application with Google Drive. This is the easiest way to do the trick. So I go in setting, clicking in setting, create a new Google web application. We click next, existing spreadsheet name. Here we have to put the name of a Google spreadsheet file and the two name has to be the same, okay? So now I'm gonna go take Firefox. I'm gonna go in my drive and I'm gonna create a new folder that I'm gonna call Quizfaber. Okay, I create the folder, click the folder, open the folder, new spreadsheet. Okay, I created the spreadsheet, and first thing I do, I call it let's say Tamash Quiz. Okay, that's the name with whom I'm gonna save my quiz inside Quizfaber here. Okay, so I copy the same name Tamash Quiz here, and I click configure. Automatically Quizfaber will send me to confirm my identity on Google account. So I click Google, okay, allow. Okay, copy this code. We copy the code here, so copy. Okay, and we paste that code in the new window that pop up from Quizfaber. So we paste it here, okay, and we say okay. Now this has to reach 100%, so we wait a few minutes. You can skip this part, bring forward. It's gonna be faster now. Okay, spreadsheet Tamash quiz successfully created in Google Drive. Perfect. It's gonna open up the same spreadsheet. This one and this one are the same, so I can close one of the two. I minimize this window. Okay, I go back to Quizfaber. Quizfaber automatically created A file is a script that we copy. Okay, we can copy even from here. We go back in our spreadsheet created Tamash Quiz, go in Tools, Script Editor. Okay, if we read here, it says that save and rename the form entry like the entry, the file that with the script editor, the page of the script editor that we just opened, we have to save it as form entry, remember, because it's important. So we don't close that, we go here and we paste what we have found, what QuizFabber gave us, this script that the QuizFabber created for us. Okay, copy and paste here. We save the project and we save it with the name form enter. Okay, first step done. Then what we do, we say run function setup. Why? Because this is the function setup that we are gonna call. Okay, so setup, running function setup. We have to review permission. Now this is the tricky part. I don't know if it's gonna work even for you. This app isn't verified because obviously QuizFabber is an external app, so it's not recorded. I don't know for which reason on Google, but if there is message prompt up to you, we simply click advanced and we trust the Google form entry. Okay, even if it's considered unsafe, we know what we created because it's a script that basically link our Tamash Quiz spreadsheet that we created here with our QuizFabber quiz that we are going to create after. Okay, so we click OK, go to form, even if it's considered unsafe. We allow the permission for the form entry to check our, and then when we did and save it, we simply click publish, deploy as a web app. Okay, it will appear this. Here we put a number 1. Okay, here we choose anyone. Okay, everybody can access the app because so everybody will be able to do the test, to take the test. So once we created that, we deploy the web application. We deploy basically a button. Okay, so we deploy. Okay, the project is now deployed and as a web app. There is a URL link here. We select all the link and we copy this link. Okay, so we click copy. Okay, leave it like that for now. We go back in QuizFabber and we were in this second step. Now we go third step by clicking next and we paste here the answer that we got from Google, the URL that we just copied from Google. Click enter. Okay, and we click close. We go back to our web app here. We click OK. The setting is done. Okay, now just to check if it's working, we close this window. You see that now our spreadsheet has a completely different look. So we minimize this window. We say OK here. Okay, now this is our quiz. Make HTML quiz. So we choose a new to save it as we used to do to create the quiz. So we call it my quiz, no, Tamash quiz. Tamash quiz. Okay, make a new folder. Oh, sorry, didn't create the right folder. Desktop. Make new folder. Sorry, Tamash. Delete and delete. Okay. Desktop. Make new folder. Tamash quiz. Okay. Tamash quiz. Okay. Okay, it's created. Okay. It's here. I don't know why it's not listed here. Okay, if I go here, okay, it's listed now. Perfect. Okay, and then we simply click OK. We see that the computer proceeded to create our quiz. And automatically he launched straight the quiz. Here we fill in the form Lorenzo, my name, and here we started the painting. This painting is Leonardo da Vinci. We verify, and we verify that the script is successfully saved on Google Drive. So if we go now here, we see that we have saved the results here. If this is not completely clear because in CNSNR, you can check this here. So right answer is 1. So there's just one answer, right answer 1, mark 10 out of 10. If it's not clear here, you can always check the results by going in quiz results, read the results from Google Drive. Automatically it will check your identity again to see if it's really you checking the results. I copy this, I paste it back here. Okay, I wait a few seconds to... Here I can select the different quizzes that I have saved. Obviously in quiz 1, the Tamash quiz that I created. Okay, and you see I have here the results. Final mark 10 out of 10. Time minutes is 0.6 minutes or seconds, sorry. Don't know, 6 seconds it took me to finish. The received date and time there, okay, HTML or export on your computer. But what's the fun part? That when we set up the quiz, we have here our quiz created. You see, this is the folder where we saved our quiz that we created when we saved our quiz. So this folder is a folder that is already ready to be put on the internet. So I open my FTP. These are my two websites, okay? Street Music Tube and LorenzoGaspari.com. I open LorenzoGaspari.com, then I don't have to do anything else. Then drag my folder inside my website. I wait for the upload to finish. 721, okay, transfer finished. I go and I should have Tamash quiz. In Tamash quiz I have quiz 1, okay? This is the title of the quiz. This is the main page, so we click there. We copy URL, okay? We can do like that. We go on internet, and now I'm gonna change browser to see you that to show you that it works even on even if I'm not logged in as a user. You see here I'm not you, I'm not anybody. So I paste here the link that I copied, and I'm interested only in the last part of it. You see the address of the page where I stored the quiz 1 quiz. So I click enter. He asks me to prompt then my name because I set it in the setting of the quiz. Okay, I answer the question, I verify, and even if now the question is online at this URL and the results, as you can see, are successfully saved on Google Drive and are saved on my Google Drive, and also here they should also be here. I don't know. Now I'm gonna judge. Let's see if I've updated them. We copy this verifier string. Okay, we paste it here. Okay, and I have even the new one. This time it took me even less time, 0.4. Final mark 10 out of 10. Okay, that's it. Sorry if it took me so long, Tamash, but I was really busy with work, and I was trying in a different way to create working directly on the website, but at the end I finally discovered that was better to work from the program itself. And also I found that in Quizpubber on YouTube there are a lot of video cioè non a lot. If there is the official channel of Luca Galli, that is the guy that invented it, that is this one, and in this one there is an Italian tutorial about how to save them on Google Drive. Is here if you want to check. It's in Italian, it's really easy, just figure out there should be also maybe the setting subtitle, maybe this in English, but it should work. Okay, yeah, you can choose them. And right, I hope this is useful. This was useful. Please let me know when you receive it, if you like it or not, and if you make it or not to upload the quiz online. If you have any question, write me, it's not a problem. Okay, have a good night. Bye.